Ladies, still no flow? I've got another tea for you. It's Anita Tatavarthi, your favorite acupuncturist, and with that, let me present Irregular Periods 205. After I ran the India Free Clinic, I came home to the US, and when I got here, I began a practice on the West Coast. And I started to notice an interesting pattern. I started to notice that more and more of my patients in the US struggled with an irregular period. I didn't have as many patients proportionately in India that struggled with an irregular period. And then I started to think back on what could be the differences. One thing I do know is, having been raised Indian and being of Indian descent, is that Indians eat almost a couple of teaspoons of turmeric a day. What is turmeric? It's the yellow stuff that you see in curry. And so with the high amounts of turmeric, could it be that that's help regulating the cycle? I did a little bit more research and I came to discover that turmeric is very warming, so it can create a period flow. So having this in hand, then I went to my patients on the West Coast and I said, all right, let's have you take a teaspoon or two of turmeric, either in water or soy milk, and drink it daily as a tea. You can even do it before bedtime because it's really relaxing. It's important to note that soy has a large amount of estrogen and also can help. When you have a period, it's the estrogen that is shedding the lining of the uterus to create a period. And so after a few weeks to months, I noticed that my patients who were drinking the turmeric tea were beginning to regulate their cycle. And if you go to our Instagram or TikTok accounts, you'll see some of their beautiful faces and testimonials. So if you're struggling with an irregular period, do consider having our turmeric tea. And just go to an Indian grocery store, grab a gallon of turmeric, it's probably only a few bucks, and put a teaspoon or two into a warm glass of soy milk or water and drink it before bedtime. Do this consistently for 3 regular cycles, and definitely stop when you're pregnant. And if you get these same results as you've seen with my other patients, be sure to comment below, so it helps me to encourage me to share this information even more. I wish you all the best on your fertility journey. If you liked what you saw today, be sure to pass it along to a friend or a family member who is struggling with irregular periods. Once we can regulate the cycle, it is so powerful, because then when you know your fertile days, you can have the power of conception. You can empower yourself. So be sure to pass this tip along to someone that may need it. And if you like what you see, be sure to hit that subscribe button and comment below so that I can offer my 20 years of experience to all of you. I wish you all the best, and it's Anita Tatavarthi, your favorite acupuncturist.